Hey everybody, this is Rich Hanlon with Crypto Closers, and I was just having some fun today doing some different things, trying to see if I could use Chat GPT to answer some questions for me. I've been trying to get really detailed in some of the questions I asked. So I wanted to ask Chat GPT some questions, and I wanted to show you the answers that I'm getting and just kind of do it right in front of you. Let's do that. Let's share a screen. Let's share Chat GPT and share. Yeah, so if you look at this right here, I just simply asked a question because a lot of people don't believe me, and I'm like, I get sick of doing all the math and everything. And I said, I wonder if Chat GPT could answer the question quicker. And so basically, my question, very detailed to Chat GPT, was make a chart analysis the monthly price of Bitcoin since December 2017 versus dollar cost averaging of $100 per month. What would the total invested be and what would the current value be? And it busted it right out, thought for a couple minutes or a couple seconds really. And basically it came back with this. It said investing $100 monthly in Bitcoin through a dollar cost averaging DCA strategy from December 2017 to January 2025 would have resulted in a total investment of approximately $8,500 over 85 months. Given Bitcoin's current price of $105,224, this investment would now be worth approximately $19,000, yielding a profit of about $10,500. So I thought that was kind of interesting. People say, "Oh my God, I can't do this. It's not going to be worth anything." What would $100 a month be? Well, people say, what's the big deal with that? 2017, let's see, December 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 7 years, you would have, gone up 150%. And you could do the math as well. Put in $200, put in $500, put in $1,000. But I wanted to show you the power of dollar cost averaging monthly and consistently. Let's have some fun with this. I'm going to do it right here in front of everybody and see if this pulls up. But let's take a look here. What I'm going to do is take that same question. I'm going to copy it. Go right here. But I'm going to take out Bitcoin and I'm going to put XRP in there. I wonder how different that would be. Let's find out. This ought to be interesting. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, here it goes. Make a chart analysis, the monthly price of XRP since December 2017 versus dollar cost averaging of $100 per month. What would the total invested be and what would the current value be? Investing $100 monthly in XRP through a dollar cost averaging DCA strategy from December 2017 to January 2025 would have resulted in a total investment of approximately $8,500 over 85 months. Given XRP's current price of 3.27, this investment would now be worth approximately $12,000. And people say, ooh, it's not as good as Bitcoin. No, because if you can remember correctly, there was a lawsuit filed against XRP. So XRP was actually between $2.75 and $3. And it went up from there, and then it went way down. It's just now starting to go back up. But I find that interesting. Now, let's go one other way here. There's a company called MicroStrategies, and they were one of the first corporations to invest in Bitcoin, and it's caused their stock price to go through the roof. And I wonder how that compares. So let's take a look at that. Let's take that same question and not the price of Bitcoin. We'll go MicroStrategies since December, where we use dollar cost averaging. Let's do it, man. Let's just do it and see what happens here. MicroStrategies gets expensive. Yeah. So basically, going into a stock a stock of a company where they invest in Bitcoin, although it's had incredible, things going on, what would it actually have done? But it looks like it's about the same, about $1,200 would be your result with that. So right now, if you dollar cost averaged since December 2017, $100 right now, if you go all the way back up, so far Bitcoin has been the best return of $19,000. Your 8,500 would be worth 19,000. What's 8,000 be 24, 25.5 would be a 200% return. So yeah, you're about 150% return on that one. What do you hear? You're only about a 40% return, 8,500. Because it'd be $3,500 that you would have made. Actually, let me see something here. Yeah, profit of 10,500. So far your $100 would have been best in Bitcoin. Look, I'm not going to say what the future is. I'm just going back what I can see in time. I believe in diversification. I'm not liking the MicroStrategies play. And then let's take a look here. Ugh, we're not going to like this one at all, but what do most people do with their money? How about a high savings account at 3? Man, I'll do 4%. And nobody's giving out 4%. Right? Let's take a look at that. I love doing this kind of stuff. All right, let's take a look. Still analyzing, and there we go. To analyze the growth of a high-yield savings account with 4% annual interest rate under a dollar cost averaging DCA, let's calculate the total investment and the current value. And it starts and then goes and then you build, and it's got this crazy formula, which I'm not going to do. Future value principal. So results were you invested 8,500. Your current value would be about 9,840. You would have made approximately $1,340. But hey, you never would have lost. There never would have been risk, and it's not volatile. So everybody's different when it comes to this kind of stuff. So many people, and I mean, so many people are doing zero interest or 0.001 with Bank of America or Chase. You just don't get big interest anymore. You have to take a risk, and then you take that risk and you spread it out or diversify it across multiple platforms. Let me stop sharing this. I'll stop sharing. There we go. I was just going to stop sharing here. I'm amazed when I look at that stuff. I love doing comparisons all the time. I want to know what things will do. And I make all these charts, but I'm realizing ChatGPT is really smart, and you can get very detailed asking it questions and asking it to analyze things. I'm going to do a couple more videos. I want to teach people how to use ChatGPT to be very definitive in what you ask it to do. I'm going to do a couple videos where I ask ChatGPT to analyze all investments available on the market. If you were to dollar cost average $100 over the last 5 years, what would have been the best investment? That's an interesting conversation. But that's for another video. Let me close this one out. I'm really going to push on people to dollar cost average. This isn't investment advice. It's just an incredible way to take and spread volatility over small investments, both up and down. Some months you're buying more, some months you're buying less. Most people can afford $100 into something. Right now, based on that, Bitcoin would have been the best return on your investment by far. And a lot of people think where the Bitcoin's going would also be the next best investment over the next 5 to 30 years. Why? Because it's becoming scarce. That means they're running out of it. Don't forget that part. Plays a big role. All right, this is Rich Hanlon with Crypto Closers signing out. Love to have you subscribe. Love to have you leave some different comments, and we can talk about different things, compare some different things, and let's get busy using ChatGPT to help us make some good decisions based on past performance. All right, checking out. Until then, see you next time.